Hey, Ken Eagle here with Hall Technologies. I'm at InfoComm 2022 in Las Vegas, and I want to show you a brand new product we call Apollo. This is our technology room kit. You see I've got the box here beside me, and you can see that it comes with 3 key pieces. So you buy one product, you get 3 pieces. You get a keypad to control the whole system. Control is built in. You get a wall plate to input all your sources, and you get the master controller. That's the receiver that has a 3-port USB hub and audio amplifier built into it. Let me show you how this works. On the wall here beside me, you see I've got a beautiful BenQ touch display. This is touch interactive, so I can simply touch on this and flip right through the content that's on my laptop across the room. Gives me an interaction right through that USB device. You see I've got speakers on the wall. These are made by Hall Technologies as well. These are driven by the amplifier that's built directly into that receiver, so your audio is live and ready to go, whether you're presenting through a microphone or playing media out of the laptop. And over here on the wall beside me, beside the BenQ display, you'll see our 1080p Ptz Camera from Hall Technologies. That has HDMI, 3G, SDI, USB 3.0, and Ethernet outputs. That is a phenomenal product with amazing optics, easy to use for your room, and I would suggest you put 2 of those in the classroom, one to pick up your participants and one to pick up your instructor or your presenter. Then on the wall beside the BenQ panel, you'll see my input plate. This allows for 3 additional HDMI inputs into the system, plus a USB input for your host device. That's the presenter's connection to talk to all those peripheral devices, audio input, and a toggle button to very simply switch between the inputs in the system. And just above that, we have the control panel for the room. You can very easily adjust volume, power the room off and on, and simply flip through your sources. A very simple solution to operate. Beside that on the table, I have the Ranger. This is our wireless presentation switch. It feeds directly into that wall plate. This allows Wi-Fi casting directly into the room. Very easy to get that into it. Here you'll see on the table, and in my hand beside me is the actual receiver for this unit. And you'll see reading left to right, you've got the HD-Base-T input for your touch panel, HDMI in and locally, and an HDMI output, a 3-port USB hub, IR, RS-232 controls, LAN controls, microphone and mute inputs, as well as a speaker output that is available in both 70 volt and 8 ohm right out of that box. And the on-wall and in-ceiling speakers from Hall Technologies have taps built in for both 70 volt and 8 ohm operations. So you are 100% ready to go with the solution from Hall Technologies right out of the box. So to learn more about the technology room kit called Apollo, as well as our speakers, cameras, wireless input devices, visit us online at halltechav.com.